What's up, everybody? It's Dr. Salcedo, the plastics doc at TPD MD in Corona, board certified plastic surgeon, and I'm going to show you how to inject subcutaneous tirzepatide or semaglutide at home step by step. Step one is to wash your hands thoroughly. Make sure the hands are clean before doing your injection. Step two, check the medication that you're receiving, the dose, and how much to inject. Always follow your prescribed dosing, never adjust on your own. Step three is to choose your injection site. Available sites include the abdomen, upper thigh, and back of the arm. I recommend using a different site each time to avoid irritation at the injection site. Some patients will choose to alternate between different sides of the belly button to avoid injection site irritation. All right, once you've selected the site, be it the abdomen, upper thigh, or back of the arm, you'll prepare the site with an alcohol swab. This will be provided in your box. You're going to clean the area thoroughly. Let's imagine this is lateral to the belly button. You're then going to remove the cap and prepare the needle. You'll pinch the skin and inject in a 45 or 90 degree angle. A trick that I like to use is to count to 3 when I inject. So I'll go 1, 2, 3, cough and inject at the same time. That prevents me from feeling the injection. So 1, 2, 3 into the skin, and then slowly press the plunger and inject the medication. Once done, remove the needle and apply gentle pressure. Don't rub. Once you've completed your injection, dispose of your needle in a sharps container. If you're on the Skinny Shop program at the Plastics Doc, TPDMD, feel free to call us at any time for any tips or tricks. General suggestions that I have. Number one, never alter your dosing or take it any other way than directed by us. I also recommend for all our patients, hydration is very important. So hydration is a key. Try to have a consistent weekly dosing on the same day of the week. I prefer toward the ends of the week so that the dose is high coming into the weekend. Also, make sure to get your labs as directed and make sure that you're following up with the clinic for evaluation of your labs, measurements, and weight checks. Our program is medically supervised, meaning that we will guide you through every step of the process.